Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve these two radical equations. So let's start with the one on the left side. So the given equation is -2 square root of 24x plus 13 equals -11. Now the variable in this equation is x. So we have to solve for this x. So for that, we'll have to isolate x on one side of the equation. So the first step here is to subtract 13 from both sides to isolate the x term on the left side. So we subtract 13 from both sides of the equation. So the 13 on the left side of the equation cancel each other out. So we get -2 square root of 24x equals, so now on the right side we do -11 minus 13, which is equal to -24. Now we have to get rid of this -2 on the left side. So for that we'll have to divide both sides by -2. So the -2's on the left side cancel each other out and we get square root of 24x equals, now on the right side, we do -24 divided by -2, which is equal to +12. Now we have to get rid of the square root. So we'll have to square both sides of the equation. So on the left side, the square root and the square cancel each other out. So we get 24x equals, so 12 square is equal to 144. We can isolate x by dividing both sides by 24. So the 24's on the left side cancel each other out and we get x equals 144 divided by 24, which is equal to 6. So this should be the final answer for this equation. So now we can solve this other radical equation. We have to isolate x, the variable in this equation. So the first step here is to get rid of the 7 on the left side. For that we'll have to subtract 7 from both sides. So the 7's on the left side will cancel each other out. So we get 2 and then the fifth root of x equals, so here we have to do 15 minus 7, which is equal to 8. Now we can isolate the x term on the left side, and for that we should divide both sides by 2. So the 2's on the left side cancel each other out and we get fifth root of x equals 4. We have to get rid of the fifth root on the x. So for that we'll have to raise the power of both terms to 5. So we'll have to do that on both sides. So on the left side, the fifth root and the power 5 cancel each other out. So we are left with just x equals 4 to the power 5, which can be evaluated to 1024. So this should be the final answer for this radical equation. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.